Hi, everyone. I would like to talk to you about BR-ER. It is the first class we are going to do together. And this is a very deep class because we are going to work with the root, the emotion inside the very amazing neonatal reflex and perinatal reflexes. And it's going to dig and bring amazing material to release. And if you have a difficult reflex that doesn't release after 1, 2 sessions or 3 sessions, like the Babkin is very common with Babkin or other reflexes, we look directly in those emotions and we will have an efficient way and a fast way to release those reflexes. So we don't really need someone to work with a model for this class. It's going to be a lot of work inside of yourself. It brings absolutely amazing material. We have different protocols. And if we have time, we will be able to introduce new reflexes that we didn't work with in BR, neonatal reflex that are related to the heart, to the eyes, all kind of reflexes that we can work with, and they are all very deep. We're going to have a little bit of work with Alaya for the emotional release of them.
So we're going to introduce a bit of heart center therapy and share the dialogue technique so that you'll be able to really go deeper than you would in other circumstances. It will take you to the depths of where you will be able to see the unconscious expectations. And this really adds an incredible edge to this work to really go deep.
So we're going to look for those limiting beliefs, negative beliefs, all those personal or collective, familial limitations. And we're going to see how they touch those very physical reflex. And it's going to be really interesting. So we were amazed. We do that regularly now, and it's really interesting. Hopefully see you there.
Thank you.